Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a review of the Yes Canvas Pad and the Skin Tutorial Pre-Tested Professional Oil from Grumbacher. But before we start it, please click on the subscribe button so you can help to support my channel. Okay, let's start it. The Yes brand has several different canvas types and sizes. I'm going to review the pad. I prefer the pad because pads are inexpensive and easy to storage. Well, this pad is a lightweight sheet, 11 oz weight, 100% cotton and unbleached. They are primed 3 times to a smooth surface, good for detail work. The manufacturers say that it accepts all kinds of wet media, even watercolor. I'm going to test it and see the results. I'm going to use homemade watercolor for this test and Liquitex Basic for the acrylics and Grumbacher Pre-Tested for the oils. So I started trying to apply the same amount of water that I used to use in a paper, but as you can see, it didn't work. So I have to apply a lot more water. And then it's interesting, the colors get very vibrant, and I put another color and it's mixed well. And here I try to do a wet and wet, and as you can see, the sheet start to buckle really bad. I have to tape it on the surface. When I did the wet and wet, the thing is, it gets very out of control and it starts to spread everywhere in the fibers of the canvas. And the effect is not what I was expecting because it's too out of control. I let dry for a little and then I try later on to put more layers to see how it works. From the acrylic, I start to do a thick mixtures, but I put water, but it is very thick. And as you can see, it's have a very good coverage. I didn't have any problems with it. And now I try to put more water, just like a watery mixture. And it's worked very well too, even when the paint are very thin. This is my cat. She want to participate. So here I'm going to try the oils. I try to apply the oil straight from the tube, but the oil was too thick, so I did a mixture a little bit with liquid to thin out the oil, so it was easy to spread and then spread better. See? And the oil was very good. It's grabbed very well on the surface. So here I'm going to show you guys how the oil is thick. It's a heavy body oil, and you can see that I hold the peaks very well. So as you can see, the oil, when I applied the oil, the sheet didn't get buckled as with the water. So the oils work very well in this surface. Now that the watercolor is already dry, I'm going to try put one more layer with other color just to see how it works. But you can see that the yellow that was there spread by itself, like just spread much more than I was expect. You see that I applied just in the one side, and then it's just start to spread everywhere. So now I'm going to put another color, a different color, just to see how it looks. So I apply another color. I apply red now, but as you can see, it starts to spread again, out of control. You can see that it's going from the fibers of the canvas, and it not look good at all because the spread don't even look even. It look very weird. Here I bring close so you can see how it looks. The part that was dry with watercolor and acrylic, when I touched that, this like powder effect with the colors in my fingers, but it was just because was the first layers, and after dry completely I didn't get this, so it's okay. So for the results for the watercolor, I can say that you can use, of course you can, but the problem is that depending the technique that you're going to use and depend of the results that you want. Because if you want something that you can control, maybe that's not the good surface for you. If you want to do something more loose, or you expect this kind of effect, so then you can use. Maybe it's about practice and about to find the right way to apply, but with the techniques that we used to use in the paper, it's not working. So if you want to use this surface, you have to find a different technique. So let's talk about acrylics now. The acrylics work very well. I think it's a good surface to work with acrylics, but I think that it's the best if you use less water, because the buckle effect may be bother a lot if you want to do detail work, but in general the acrylics work much better. The oil, I think, has the best effects, at least for the pads. They grab very well, and the pad didn't buckle at all, so it's very nice. So before we finish, let's talk a little bit about the oil set that I have here. So it is Grumbacher Pre-Tested Professional Oil. It's a limited edition called Skin Oil Mixing Set Tutorial. It comes with 6 colors. So the colors are raw sienna, yellow ochre, burnt umber, French ultramarine blue, Arizona crimson, golden, and titanium white. Inside the box you can find these instructions that shows about colors and mixtures and how you can get the shadows and highlights, and there is some recipes that you can use to mix the colors so you can find the right color from the skin tones. I didn't try the recipes, but I think that's interesting to have it, so people that start to do the portraits feel more comfortable to have option to have the recipes. I paint this portrait with this set, and you guys can check it out. The video that I did with the complete tutorial is in my YouTube channel. I'm going to put the link below. And if you want to know the full version step by step, you can find in my Patreon. I put the link below too. So I did the color swatch here, so you guys can see all the colors that comes in the set. All the materials that I use here is listed on the description box below. You also can find them in my website, in the online store. Buying from there helps to support my channel with no extra cost to you. The color swatch and all the reviews of the Yes Canvas and the pre-tested oil set is available in my website at the blog page. I put the link below so you guys can go there and check it out. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you like, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and if you don't subscribe yet, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any one of my videos.